If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I'm waiting for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another weekly vlog. We have a special guest on the vlog today and he's very chatty. Say hi to my nephew. Say hi. Anyways, you guys, I said on the last vlog that I am going to be coming to spend a little bit of time with my family. So yesterday, my brother had this like brilliant plan to pick me up after work, and then we drove all the way here to Jersey and we surprised my sister-in-law. I'm probably gonna input the clip in here because she had no idea that I was coming. And Jersey, here we come.
You're dirty clothes.
Hey, he was knocked all the way out, but now it's morning time and we're about to start our day. I just took my shower and Akil's been running around all over the place. It's gonna be a nice, like, eventful. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Bye, Akil. It's gonna be an eventful day. I'm gonna take you guys along. It's gonna be fun to just spend time with family, especially after the madness that was Fashion Week. You guys know how tired I was from all the Fashion Week craziness. So, like I said, it's gonna be cool to just kind of relax, be with family, spend the next couple of days with them, and I am so excited to take you guys along. See you. Prepare to be sick of me. Yeah, he about to be sick of me because I'm gonna have this camera in his face all the time. You guys meet my sister. She's acting shy. I'm gonna put her TikTok in so you can see, because she be dancing on TikTok. Juliet can carry a tune, she can sing, she getting the fashions together. Yeah, look out for her. And she be showing my nephew on TikTok. But yeah, making noise. Food is served. Thank you so much, Poet and Juliet. Okay. And welcome back to another video. Hey guys. Akio did an outfit change. Akio, you look so cute. He's not giving me no mind. We watching YouTube videos. We're watching Kira on Monique. Yeah, Keeks. Yeah. You guys, we are about to head out right now, and I want to do a quick outfit of the day. We're running to Target. So I'm wearing my Simon Miller mango top that I got from the drop maybe like a month or two ago. I've been fiending to wear it. And then my pants are my Fumi the Label white pants. Shoes are Capri's, Hermes. And then my bag is an orange Loewe mini bag that I absolutely love. Come on.
Hello there.
What you wearing?
Good chat. I'm wearing a Property of the God hoodie. I'm wearing some sweats that I thrifted.
Period.
And I'm wearing some, these from Target, okay? These are from Target, and that's that. And Sonny, he has on a Gap suit, and his shoes are in the car.
It looks so comfortable. Anyways, you guys, we are on our way. We'll see you at Target. Okay, bye. Let's go. Yummy. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. You too. Okay guys, so we just got in the car. Akil's in the back, Juliet's in the back, and he's drinking my matcha. Akil, you're drinking my matcha. Yeah. I need to hurry up, get home, get ready, and then I need to head to see Miriam because we are going to her friend's birthday karaoke night. So that's gonna be really cute and fun because I really love when the girls do like different stuff for birthdays instead of like your typical dinner and stuff. So, and I haven't done karaoke in a very, very long time. So I will see you guys at karaoke. Bye.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Call my home, go tell your best friend. Decide to on the road, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Come they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life. Too on the road, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting.
Yo, this girl's nuts. I ain't got time for you fake assholes. Act out, you can get knocked out. Hey, act out, you can get
Ain't nobody doing like you. I wish that you could go here right now. Ain't no way I really wanna see if you can't go downtown with a girl like me.
You got just like a shot.
That's like what? Let me see that I like the way.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. I said happy birthday, on a happy birthday to you.
Good morning. It's day 2 of the vlog. I just woke up. Last night was very, very long. You guys know I went to karaoke and I came back super late and I still had time to watch The Shy. You guys, The Shy is crazy. Keeks, say hi. But yeah, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's today and I don't know, Julia, are we doing anything else? Are we gonna go to dinner? Are we gonna go to lunch?
Hey.
She's never had sweet green before. Then she was telling me about this wing place that she really likes called Banchan. So I don't know, but I'm gonna take you guys along. I need to take a shower. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You blow me away. Got to slip up your dinner, dessert, and so much more. Everything you want, let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart. Ain't nothing tear us apart.
Say bye, Kyo. Bye. So confession, this is my first time in Trader Joe's. Yeah. And we're not really doing a lot of shopping. We're just here to pick up a few things. Juliet's making sliders tonight. We're not going to dinner because my flight is early in the morning. So this vlog will probably continue to Austin. But yeah, we just gonna pick up a little bit of stuff. I know I took you guys to Target yesterday, so I'm not gonna show you the full blown getting things in Trader Joe's. But yeah, I'm excited.
These right here? That's all I gotta say.
What is it? Scandinavian gummies?
Yeah, they're like gummy candies. They're so
Maybe I
good.
can take some in my luggage. I'm gonna take one.
Got to slip up your dinner,
Apple cider donuts is wild.
everything you want, let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart. Ain't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man. I put my life in your hands. Got to slip up your dinner.
Bye. Until next time.
Until next time, safe travels.
Thank you. Bye, love you. Get home safe.
Call me if you need to, because I'm here.
For the day I die,
Okay, bye.
I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra.
So you guys, I am headed back to Austin, and look who I ran into.
What are the
How crazy.
same flight, y'all?
Same
Like,
flight.
we're boarding, and she's like, Crystal, and I'm like, who's calling me? It's all
Yeah. We need to get back home. We're wrapping up. Fashion week is over.
I cannot wait to get home.
Yes. And sleep, because both of us are running on.
Nothing.
She came from the club.
I came from the club to the plane, y'all. Like, legit. Did not go to sleep yet.
That's why I tell y'all, when Crystal be outside, she be outside. She be trying to drag me with her. But not today. Not today.
See, her good decisions is why she's well rested and wild.
I'm crying, but we will see you guys in Austin. Okay, bye. Hey you guys, so I have not picked up my phone in I don't know how many days. Last time we left off, I was flying back from New York to Austin. I was with Crystal, and yeah, I just been so tired that I really haven't had the energy to pick up my phone, but that changes today because I need to finish this vlog. I need to finish this vlog. I'm running a couple errands, and I am with a special guest to the vlog. A new introduction, okay? I am with my girl, Anita. We are the two Anitas.
Two Anitas, okay?
If you don't know, my middle name's Anita, Anita's name is Anita, and Anita squared. That's
Exactly.
So Anita just moved to Austin, so she's gonna be in my vlogs quite frequently. So make sure you follow her. I'm gonna input her Instagram here. So we are heading to the Domain. I have a couple errands I need to run. I'm about to visit my girl Dodos in Dallas, and then also see my manager Donnelle. So I want to come bearing gifts. So I need to get gifts for them, and then I want to say I need to pick up my camera as well. Y'all know in the Greece vlog, I dropped my camera in the water. Actually, the wind just carried.
For real?
Yes. Yeah, the wind literally carried my camera. So I'm finally getting my vlogging camera back. I've been using my phone, and the quality is tea, okay? The quality ain't never gonna change, okay? I also have my cousin here, and y'all know Ashanti. Hold on. Hey y'all. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be a New York vlog, a living in Austin vlog, a weekly
It's
vlog.
gonna be a real Oyin vlog, because that's Oyin's life.
Yeah.
Oyin's here, there, wherever, okay? In 1 week, in 2 days.
I just don't know what to call it, but yeah, we're gonna figure it out, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all.
So you said I can personalize these?
Yeah.
Okay. Probably the white one. So my manager's birthday just happened a couple days ago, and so I'm literally on this hunt for a gift for her. So we just stopped at the Gucci store, and I saw things that I loved, but I feel like I should just keep searching. So now we're in the Coach store, and I found this silver purse that I think is so cute, and I think she's gonna love it. She needs more bags in her wardrobe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it, and then it can also be personalized, so we're gonna get that personalized with just, you know, a little BBB, Big Bank Branch on it, because yeah, she's
Still
so
finding
good.
myself,
So
let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. Scattered, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time.
yeah.
Fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
Oh, it looks so
That's cutting all into my time with you.
You guys, this heat is messing with my mental. He came to this place called Picole, grabbed some mangonadas, and I think this is where I'm gonna wrap it up for now. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Okay, bye. Yeah. The sun is hitting them so good, you guys. They look so good.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. I'm so sorry if it's a little windy, but I'm here again today with Anita. Hi, y'all. And we are back in the domain stomping grounds. So we are headed to do some more light shopping. Part 2 of finding gifts for everyone. I need to go to Sephora, I think Neiman's or whatever. So we'll see where the day takes us, and then we still have to go back home, rest.
Yes.
And then we're gonna be heading to a brand dinner tonight. So I will see you guys as we go along this journey. Okay, bye.
All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me.
Hey guys, I just came into Sephora and I just ran into Lala. I just met her and she goes, "Are you Day's sister?" And this literally happened to me twice today. Someone just asked me, do I know my cousin outside? And my cousin lives in Arizona. So anyways, you guys, if you're in Sephora, stop and see Lala. She's also part of Sephora Squad. Yeah, get into it. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to shopping. So. Okay, bye.
And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your hands. And you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby.
Oh, these are fly. These are so chic.
You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross side. No, I gotta come and check it home, man.
It looks like something. Hey you guys, so we are on our way to the Skin Fix dinner here in Austin. I'm so excited because brands don't come to Austin that often, so it's really nice when we have something like cute and curated for all the girlies to like link up. And I'm here with Anita.
We're literally
We're so freaking
finishing
late.
the makeup in the car. Okay?
Yes, with the one size setting spray that Beyonce uses. Beyonce approved.
Girl.
I tried to like do a little get ready with me, show you guys my outfit in the house, but it wasn't working out. So I was like, yeah, wrap it up. We don't have time for this, cut the cameras. And yeah, so headed there. Crystal's gonna be there. Lala that we met earlier from Sephora, she's also gonna be there. And it's just gonna be like a cute, fun time with the girls. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when I get there. And yeah, stay tuned.